5 Arithmetic Progressions Exercise 5.2 Question number 3rd Part 3rd. In the following AP, find out the missing terms in the boxes. Value of first term is 5, means value of A is 5, and value of fourth term is 9.5. The mixed fraction. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 and 2 की मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 18 आएगा, 18 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो 19 आएगा, मीन्स फोर्थ टर्म की वैल्यू हो गई 19/2. Now we know that formula is an equal to a plus n minus 1d. This formula is used to find out the terms. With the help of this formula, find out the value of fourth term. A4 हो गया हमारा a plus 4 minus 1d, and we have the value of a4, that is 19/2, equal to a plus, and value of a is 5. So we can write down the value of a is 5 plus 4 minus 1, 3d. Now transpose 5 at the left hand side, then its sign will be changed. 5 के अपॉन में 1 लिखेंगे, जिसे एलसीएम लेने में इजी रहेगा. Now we know that the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Now 2 divided by 2, divided by denominator of the first fraction, that is 2. 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 आएगा, 1 को 19 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये माइनस आ गया. नाउ डिवाइड 2 by 1, 2. 2 and 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 10 आएगा, इक्वल टू 3d. When we subtract 10 from 19, then we will get 9/2 equal to 3d upon 1. Now do the cross multiplication. We will get 2 into 3d equal to 9, d equal to 9 divided by 2 into 3. ओके, 2 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई मत कीजिएगा, ये लास्ट में हो जाएगा. Now divide 9 by 3, we will get 3. Therefore value of d is 3/2. Value of d is 3/2. Now find out the value of second term. वैल्यू ऑफ a2 अब हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो a2 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? a2 की वैल्यू हो गई a1 प्लस d. प्रीवियस टर्म में, फर्स्ट टर्म में d की वैल्यू को ऐड करेंगे. तो a1 की वैल्यू है हमारे पास में 5/1 and value of d is 3/2. Now take the LCM of 2 and 1, that is 2. Now 2 divided by 1, we will get 2, and 2 multiply with 5, 10, plus sign, this sign apply here. Now divide 2 by 2, we will get 1, and 1 and 3, 1 and 3 को multiply करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3. Means value of a2, value of a2 is 13/2. It is the value of a2. or in mixed fraction we will get value of a2 is 6.5. Now we have to find out value of a third term, a3. a2 plus d, a3 की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए a2 में d की वैल्यू ऐड करेंगे. वैल्यू ऑफ a2 is 13/2 and value of d is 3/2. Value of d is 3/2 Now solve it. LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. Now 2 divided by 2 1. 1 को 13 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ये आ गया आपका 13 प्लस 3, A3 equal to 16 upon 2. Now divide 16 by 2, you will get 8. Means value of A3 is 8. It means value of second term means A2 equal to 6 and a half, and third term A3 8. It is our answer.